Tomorrow is a big day. I have to do a cake for Sunday. I am stressing out a little bit because I am making this a 5-tier cake, and 2 of the tiers that are going to be styrofoam are not here. My package got delayed, so that's a little nerve-wracking. I hope that it arrives tomorrow. I did order a backup, but now it's just cutting it close, and I hope it arrives in the morning because I got the other 2 layers in on Amazon. So hopefully the ones I had purchased arrive tomorrow morning. So good morning, everybody. My job right now is to make this 5-tier cake. I'm panicking a little bit because 2 of the dummy cakes that I need haven't arrived. Here's the 12-inch, 10-inch. I'm missing the 8 and the 6. I have a flower decoration along with a 15. And then I have fondant. We got the shade.
Okay, so as you can see, the cake is stacked, only 2 layers. That's the 12-inch and the 10-inch. I was waiting for my 6 and 8 to arrive, and they finally did. There's some slight dimension here, and that is from airbrushing, as I showed earlier. Diana helped me with that. Next video, I'll show how to properly fondant a styrofoam cake using the panel method. It's 3:59 p.m., so I'm really trying to like get this shit done before like 7. At the same time, I'm currently baking off a few layers for the real cake, which will be a 4-inch on top of the 6-inch. I'm gonna pause right now, clean up, and then start doing the minimal deco right now.